Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today is a little bit of a different video. I am doing an unpackaging from MFT, My Favorite Things. And I bought a few things during their Christmas time sale. So I have been really excited to open it, and I have resisted for a couple days now because I've been waiting to film. But let's just get right into it. This little packaging is really sweet, by the way. Okay, now, yeah, I bought all stamp sets, so let's just see what we have here. So it says, My Favorite Things, thank you from MFT, the team. Oh, that's really sweet. So I really do think that it is adorable that MFT does a little note like this. If you want to read it, you can go ahead and pause the video, but basically saying, we are excited that you bought from us and we can't wait to see what you make. And it's sweet because they do have certain people who, work on it right on there. I guess that's my name. Interesting. But it's just sweet. So we have this one, and I do have this stamp set already. So this was the free gift. But I do have a couple crafty friends, so maybe one of them would like this. And this was also one of the free gifts with the order as well. It's a little tree, I'm pretty sure, with some branches, or a branch and some leaves, which is perfect for scene building. So I will definitely hang on to this one. Now, this is the Call the Shots. It's kind of like the nurse themed stamp set, and I have a few nurses in my life, so I thought that this would be a great one to go ahead and put in my stash. I also like some of the sentiments that they have here, like thank you for making me feel better. It could be perfect for like a mom or a dad or a babysitter, a caregiver, a friend even, maybe someone going through a grief and then someone helped them. That would be very nice. So this one is called Critter Condolences, and I bought this stamp set basically for pet bereavement cards. I've been asked for those a few times now when I'm selling cards at craft shows or at a couple stores that I have my cards in, and I really needed something like this in my stash, and I think these sentiments like this I will probably be pairing with some Stitch cards. I guess we shall see. Now, this one, I think this was the only one that I got that kind of is the alcohol related, but it's all about beer. It says, here's to you. I guess it's not all about beer, but I have been asked to make a beer related birthday card for someone in March. That's kind of like a custom wall hanging thing. So I needed some sentiments that were similar to, well, I guess like nodding to that theme. So I picked this one up as well. I think this would be really fun for some birthday cards. I really like this one, I Miss Your Mug, because one of my cousins and I have like a funny inside joke with like your face is your mug, because it's like a mug shot, but not that I've ever had a mug shot. Anyway, it's an inside joke with us. Moving along, we have this one that's called Happily Ever After, which is perfect for the weddings, the engagement. We have for the bride-to-be just some sweet sentiments for wedding cards, which is perfect because I just made a wedding card and I need a sentiment for the inside. So I will be pulling this out probably right after I am done filming. Okay, now this one is called Christmas Blessings, and basically you get to make a little manger for the Holy Family to be in, and how adorable are the sheep. They're so cute. So I think this is beautiful, perfect for scene building, and I will be making some Christmas cards with this probably in the summer because I am really not in the mood for Christmas cards right now. Moving along, we have this one called Really Great Day. Emphasis on R-E-E-L-Y, really, like reeling in a fish. And I thought this would be perfect for making some Father's Day cards, which is coming up in June. I know that's 6 months away, but it's never too early, I suppose. back to the Christmas cards. This was such a sweet stamp set. One of my friends had this one, and I just kind of was hoping that I could grab this one as well, because I really like the sentiments on it, and I think this one with the Santa popping up behind the tree is so adorable. And these two kids are so cute. They remind me of my niece and nephew. Specifically, two of them. I have a lot of nieces and nephews, but these two look like two of them. Anyway, I just thought that was super cute. Now, these two, how adorable are these people? You guys, they're so cute. So first we have here, this one's called Old Friends, and this one is Festive Old Friends. And when I saw these stamp sets, I just thought, I have to make a scene with all of these little people, and I just think it'd be really cute to make a little family. You know, you've got Grandpa sleeping in the chair, Grandma's walking in with a cake, some aunt's got a noisemaker, some dad's thinking, is this my present? No. And I thought it would be kind of fun to pair these little kids with this family. And with all of these, I feel like you could make that. You have children, you have women, and you have men of all ages. So this is like, to me, this is a really great trio. Anyway, you could even make a scene and have Santa popping out behind the tree. I don't know. I vision it in my head. I don't know if I'll ever remember to make it or not. Maybe I'll have to watch this video back one day, but I vision it in my head. I'll just leave it like that for now. Anyway, I will link all of these products below. I don't know if I'll be able to leave links for these two because they are part of the free gifts, but who knows. Anyway, I know that MFT has some really awesome sales going on, and definitely check out their website if you haven't before. I know on my channel I usually make videos about spellbinders, but there are some other amazing card companies and stamping, die cutting companies out there. So I just figured I should maybe branch out just a hair, but that doesn't diminish the amount of love and endearment I have for spellbinders in any way. But anyway, let me know in the comments which one you like the best. I think the one that I'm the very most excited for are these people. They're just so cute. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye. Okay, I'm back for one second. I did not notice this sentiment before, and I did as I was putting it away, and I think that is so funny. You're not a year older. 2020 didn't count. Anyway, see ya. Bye.